Hi, I'm Chief Meteorologist Tony Petrarca in the Pinpoint 12 Forecast Center. You've clicked on the Weather Now link. We've made it to Friday. Boy, what a day today. I mean, look at these high temperatures topping out in the upper 40s to 50 in Providence, 50 Taunton, Newport 51, Westerly at 52. The average high is about 37, 38 degrees. And with our next weather system that's approaching for the weekend on Saturday, it will be in the form of rain and not snow. There's just not enough cold air around. So heading out this evening, we are cool and dry. No weather issues for your Friday night. We've got a rainy Saturday, not so much during the morning, but during the afternoon and evening, it looks like the heaviest of the rain, and we're talking maybe some downpours, some isolated thunderstorms between roughly 7 and 11 o'clock in the evening, and then your Sunday looks like the drier day at this point. Here's the satellite and radar composite, and as you can see the moisture that we're expecting over the weekend, or at least part of the weekend, off to our west. But the initial motion for now is from like south to north, so the progression into New England is very, very slow, and that's why tonight will stay dry through at least Saturday morning. But pretty impressive storm system across the Central Plains. You can clearly see that counterclockwise spin area of low pressure across the upper Great Lakes. So what will happen is this main storm center near Chicago will track up into Canada. And what will happen is right in here along the mid-Atlantic, a secondary area of low pressure will form, and that'll track overhead Saturday evening, Saturday night. And what that will do, quite simply, is just to enhance some of the rainfall and wind Saturday evening. And it will be in the form of rain because on the front side of this system, you can see mild air. How you see how it's inching up the East Coast. Currently, these are the temperatures. What time we're recording this as of almost 4 o'clock in the afternoon. 60 in Richmond, 50 in Providence. So that mild air arrives by the time the precipitation gets here, and that's why we're forecasting rain rather than snow. Here's the broader view, showing 9 o'clock in the morning. We're essentially dry. Clouds are on the increase. Once we get towards the afternoon, we start to see, some scattered showers working in. But the line of heavier downpours and even thunder denoted in yellow, that'll arrive during the evening. And you can see that approaching 6, 7, 8, 9 o'clock in the evening. So you have plans to be out Saturday evening, Saturday night. Just be mindful of some downpours and gusty wind, almost like a spring-like system rather than winter. And then all of this is gone and offshore by Sunday. So here we have Sunday morning and Sunday afternoon, mainly dry. I wouldn't rule out an isolated shower. I just think a better part of Sunday is actually breezy and dry. Rainfall amounts. We're not showing snowfall accumulation, unlike last Saturday night when we had snow. So we're looking at, a lot of our computer guidance has been honing in on around an inch of rain with this system coming up. So some heavy rain. Getting real close. I'm going to walk you through this hour by hour. Again, your Friday evening, Friday night looks fine. You're heading out. It'll be chilly. It just won't be frigid. And then here we are at 8 o'clock in the morning. Clouds are on the increase starting off in the mid-30s and dry, at least a dry start. And then notice during the early afternoon, we start to see just kind of these isolated lighter rain showers. In between, there'll be some dry periods. But then notice how things really light up in red and orange as we get beyond 6 o'clock in the evening. And these are downpours, maybe some thunderstorms through at least 11 o'clock at night. And then this whole thing is pulled away by Sunday morning. Here we are this evening. Partly cloudy skies or increasing clouds. Temperatures this evening in the 30s. And your Saturday morning, it starts off dry with increasing clouds, cool. By 10 o'clock in the morning, the temperature is at 40. And then notice during the afternoon, the rain chance is increasing. And you see the little flash of lightning? It wouldn't surprise me if there's an isolated thunderstorm by Saturday evening. Temperatures are in the middle 40s. The wind picking up east-southeast 15 to 25. But we may be talking about gusts Saturday evening, Saturday night, somewhere between roughly 30 and 40 miles per hour in some of the downpours. So tonight, your Friday night looks fine. Saturday morning looks dry. Kind of isolated showers Saturday afternoon, and then it's a widespread rain likely as we get into Saturday evening, Saturday night. Heavy at times, gusty wind, mild temperatures, isolated thunderstorm. And then for the most part, Sunday is a much drier day. Wouldn't rule out an isolated shower, but a better part of it on Sunday looks to be dry. All right, that's your latest Weather Now update. Check back with me starting at 5 o'clock on Eyewitness News this evening. And again at 10 and 11 o'clock tonight. And then Pete is in early in the morning on Saturday, and TJ Saturday evening to kind of stay on top of this. We may have to go to some kind of a pinpoint weather alert for Saturday evening, just in terms of travel. Maybe some big puddles on the road, some poor visibility, some thunder, and some heavy downpours. So this time around, unlike last Saturday, where it was a definite winter scene, it's this more of a spring-like system coming up for Saturday night. All right, that's your latest Weather Now update. Thanks for logging in. We'll talk to you soon.